What is the glycemic index, GI? What foods have a low to medium glycemic index?
Hey guys, welcome back to another Healthy Lifestyle Supports channel video. If you're enjoying our content, please join us to hit a like and subscribe to our channel.
In today's video, we'll show you what is the glycemic index. What foods have a low or medium as well as high glycemic index? Should you eat foods with low, medium or high glycemic index? What will happen if you are living with diabetes, high blood pressure, or heart diseases? Of course, now we will show you what is the glycemic index. Sure. The glycemic index is a measure used to determine how much a food can affect your blood sugar levels. Several factors affect the glycemic index of a food, including the ripeness, nutrient composition, and cooking method. The glycemic index is also a tool that's often used to promote better blood sugar management. Foods are classified as low, medium, or high glycemic foods and ranked on a scale of 0 to 100. The lower the glycemic index of a specific food, the less it may affect your blood sugar levels. Here are some examples of carbohydrate-rich foods and their glycemic index scores. Low glycemic index scores of 55 or less, as like whole wheat bread that is 100% stone ground, sweet potato with the skin, most fruits, and whole oats. Medium glycemic index with a score ranging from 56 to 69, as like quick oats, brown rice, and whole wheat pita bread. High glycemic index with a score ranging from 70 and above include white bread, russet potatoes, candies, white rice, and melon. Moreover, the glycemic index can not only help increase your awareness of what you're putting on your plate, but also enhance weight loss, decrease your blood sugar levels, and reduce your cholesterol. Well, in this video, we will take a closer look at the glycemic index, including what it is, how it can affect your health, and how to use it. Again, what foods have a low to medium glycemic index? Low glycemic index, such as green vegetables, most fruits, raw carrots, kidney beans, chickpeas, and lentils. Medium glycemic index, such as sweet corn, bananas, raw pineapple, raisins, cherries, oat breakfast cereals, and multigrain, whole grain wheat, or rye bread. What foods have a high glycemic index? Sure. Those foods high in refined carbs and sugar are digested more quickly and often have a high glycemic index, while foods high in protein, fat, or fiber typically have a low glycemic index. Of course, foods that contain no carbs are not assigned a glycemic index and include meat, fish, poultry, nuts, seeds, herbs, spices, and oils. However, keep in mind that the glycemic index is different from the glycemic load, GI. Unlike the glycemic index, which doesn't take into account the amount of food eaten, the glycemic load factors in the number of carbs in a serving of a food to determine how it may affect blood sugar levels. For this reason, it's important to take both the glycemic index and glycemic load into consideration. when selecting foods to help support healthy blood sugar levels. That's all now. So, it would help if you considered adding these ranges of scores of the glycemic index to your diet plan if you are living with diabetes, high blood pressure, or heart disease. However, it would be great to talk with your doctor first. Right? Do you find this video content interesting? Please tell us in the comments section below if you have any questions or feedback, and let me know. However, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel at the button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Thanks for watching this video from the beginning to the end. Don't forget our slogan, health is wealth, keep this treasure safe.